Welcome to my Halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is curry udon! Yay! Do you love curry dishes? I love it. And the most Japanese like curry dishes. And many Japanese have experienced that first cooking menu is curry and rice at school camp. By the way, what do you usually do leftover curry soup? Throw? That's もったいない. Because we Japanese love using leftover curry to make curry udon soup the next day. For curry udon soup, sometimes we purposely leave the curry. Today I will share how to make curry udon soup from leftover curry. I guarantee that 100% Japanese can make curry udon soup like this at home. Okay, shall we get started? In my video, I share a lot of tips about halal Japanese cooking recipes. I hope my recipe help you to be healthy and enjoy it with your family. Please see more information below if you need. Ingredients are leftover curry. There is no meat, no veggie, only soup, but this is good for udon soup. Then dashi broth. Today I want to use commercially available dashi sachet. This one. Ready to meal udon, thin fried tofu, green onion, then seasoned by soy sauce. Please prepare halal soy sauce. Then this is option, potato starch. I chop green onion. Like this. Boil the fried tofu to remove excess oil. Put here. And turn over a few times. Okay. Take out. Then wipe the water and cut into bite size. Like this. Okay, going to make soup. Add curry, dashi broth, chopped green onion, and thin fried tofu. All the ingredients into the pot. Then on the medium heat to boil. The green onion was boiled, so done already actually. This is very easy. Then now we seasoned by soy sauce, and this is very watery, So I want a little bit thick soup. So I put the mixture of water and potato starch. Then before add the soy sauce, please check the taste first. Because how much this curry is salty or not, I cannot understand. So I check first. Little bit. Maybe 1 tablespoon, maybe. Good. Then mixture of potato starch and water to let them be thick little bit. Please add little bit. Oh, like this, enough. Okay, curry soup done already. I reheat the udon noodle, then pour the soup. Curry soup noodle done already. Okay, I wanna try and report you. I'm a little bit scary because I'm wearing a white shirt. Okay, try. いただきます。Can you see? Nice. Then fried tofu, my favorite. Fried tofu is very good chemistry with curry soup. Highly recommended. Please try. You can choose any curry is okay. Beef, chicken, fish, takeaway, homemade, any soup, any curry is okay. So you can change the curry, you can enjoy the different flavor. Today I put just 2 thin fried tofu and green onion. But you can add any ingredients okay. But make sure to put these two. These 2 ingredients makes the taste of curry soup. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!